They don't
Need
care
to
what you
do
choose,
something,
man.
something for
Yeah.
that. Yeah, need to do something for that.
Then you won't be able to charge 800 rupees. Every week you're getting a new giraffe.
Yeah. Well, I'm not still able to recall why I was getting stuck at 100. I said it twice.
But you spoke really well. There aren't many mistakes. You don't make many mistakes. I love talking to you because you're so creative. You're so innovative in the way you think. Your perspective is really cool. And see, sometimes you don't wear fancy clothes, so it is nice talking to you.
Now you are rubbing it on my face.
No, no, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding.
Even if you don't know someone, you will share a glance. Like, let's say if you see a tiger,
Yeah,
you will share that glance and you will see, yeah, man, what a beauty,
that's
what a
so good.
hello.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, Divyam, I can hear you.
Perfect. It's so nice to see that you're not wearing fancy clothes today. I mean, it's a good looking shirt. It's a good looking shirt.
Thank you, thank you. I'll take that as a compliment.
You're not wearing extra fancy and flashy clothes today, so I feel good. I
Oh,
purposely wore
wow.
this. I wore this jacket because of you. Hello. Today I'm gonna look.
Well, I really can't help it, because I already have so many sports t-shirts, sportswear, basically.
Yeah. Yes. Today I was like, I can't look as good as him, but I'll try. At least I'll look
Don't say
close.
that.
Okay. So, have you gone through today's document?
No, Divyam. So I really did not get any time. Actually, I actually wanted to, but really didn't get time
No problem. I understand.
to open
Just
the
give me a
document.
second. My
Yes.
internet is really slow. It's not loading. I'll just tell you what the topic is.
Okay.
Session
Sure.
number 55. Make your own amusement park.
Make my own amusement park. Okay. Yeah. Very good.
Yes, that's an interesting topic. Yeah, that's something you would love to talk about.
Yeah. Absolutely. So. Uh.
So,
Mhm.
tell me.
Yeah. Okay. So amusement park, as the name says, it is indeed a very interesting topic. So I'll start with saying that yeah, I would love to. So if I have given a chance, or if I have funds, like such funds, wherein I can open an amusement park, that'll be a big thing actually. And in real as well. So this is only a topic, but even in real, I would like to do something like this because I
Yes,
have, if
quite
you,
interesting.
yeah, if you're able to recall, in one of our discussions, I did talk about that I have keen interest in wildlife. So the amusement part should be like that. I should be able to bring some animals too in that
All
amusement
right.
part, of
I'm
course.
actually writing this down because this is like a business idea.
Yeah. So
I'm stealing it.
of course. So yeah, I'll say or whatever ideas I have with this idea. So yeah, so I'll first of all, uh, I'll get the giraffe transported here in India.
Oh,
that'll
wow.
that'll that'll be a great thing. Yeah, and yeah, zebra should be there, and of course lion we have in Delhi Zoo we have lions, but yeah, lions will be there. Tigers will be there, and those animals won't be secluded like the way
I was
that
just
we
gonna tell
have.
you, they won't be
Yeah,
caged.
yeah, they won't be caged. Like they they'll be put in a way that everyone would be able to see them, but like they'll not be caged actually. So the space will be so they need actually a very big space. So this idea actually need, like, you have to have very big land to implement
Yeah.
actually this. And apart from animals, um, I would like to have very big rides, like the rides which we have in Disneyland. Cannot
Wow.
really, yeah.
I
So
can only
even if
imagine.
seriously, like I can just visualize it, like even like if you are able to do something in something like Disneyland in India, if we can get close to it, somewhat close to it.
SL
So
Park, Imagica.
yeah, yeah, exactly. So it'll be a great thing, and it won't only be solely available to kids. It will be for everyone,
Yeah, for all
like
ages,
from
obviously.
for all ages. Yeah, and as the name suggests that it is an amusement park, so everyone will definitely be amused to see this park. And what I will do if I am the owner of that park, and if I have funds like to manage all those things, what I will do, the tickets will be very nominal. So the investment will be big, but the profits and all, uh, I won't be thinking about much of the like if I like as for the profit goes, a very nominal profit I will think about. But yes, my main motto will be that I'll be striving for to give as like whosoever comes in that amusement park should be able to enjoy without hampering their pockets much.
Yes, without drilling a hole
Without
in them. Burning a
yeah,
hole, sorry. Burning a hole in your pocket.
absolutely. So this will be my motto, and what I believe is that if your intent is good, that at the end of the day, you like whatever you do. So, like what we are talking about here is that this is actually a very big thing. But yes, if you really think doing something about like this, we can. So, we, like right now, we are talking about opening an amusement park. It can be another thing as well, like if we don't have that much funds, if we are not that rich, if we are able to get a loan for
Mhm.
some amount, we can, so planting is something we can do that too. So people are very eager to see good plants, flowers, good flowers, so we can actually relate ourselves more to nature, so we can
Mhm.
get in touch with plants or trees more. So there are such things that whatever we do, that these things help us a lot as individuals, and like if we gather
As a
uh,
community.
a- as a community, and if people gather at one place, so everyone is like, okay, even if you, so like I'm sure that you must have gone to a zoo or you know to any amusement park. So it must have happened with you as well. Even if you don't know someone, you will share a glance. Like let's say if you see a tiger,
Yes,
you will share that glance, and you will say, "Yeah, man, what a beauty!
that's so good.
What
Yeah.
a magnificent creature is that." So it is not that you have to know someone to
Yes.
share that bond or something like that.
Moment.
So once that moment, so these are the moments that you can certainly share going in these type of places. So
Yes, that's true.
these places, what these places do to you, you go to these places and you forget everything. Like it consumes a whole day, of course. like, but it is actually worth, and
It's an escape from reality, technically.
it is escape from reality, and at the same time, we like if we calculate, we spend too much in a theater. Like whenever we go and watch a movie, $100 is something that you have to spend there.
100. Hello. I live in
It
Mumbai. If you
sorry,
could put it
sorry,
in
thousand. Like
1,000.
I meant to say $1,000. Yeah, what I was saying, 100 is yeah ancient. So
Yeah.
yeah, like you have to spend at least $1,000. Like if you are and that is each like $1,000 for an
Per
individual,
person.
per person, and if you're going there as a couple, 2,000, two and a half, three, like so.
Yeah.
And of course it will solely depend upon your partner's choices
Choices.
as well, yeah. So whatever demands are coming in your way, that okay, I need popcorn, I need cold drinks, soft drinks and all. And prices there in theaters are uh, exorbitantly high. So
Good.
that is again, and apart from this, so yeah, having said that all, this is one such thing that the money that we spend is worth. And yeah,
How
and
much do
if
you think the
it,
tickets will be?
not more than 100 or 900 rupees, that is the maximum.
1,000 or 900? Because you said 100 again.
Yeah, what yeah, so yeah,
You're stuck on the
800
100, I
to
think.
800 to 900.
It's
Yeah.
so cheap. That is, I don't think that's possible.
So my I'll try to keep it as low as I can.
But
You
it
know.
won't cover your costs. So I think I've noticed this from a commercial standpoint. I'm talking like something like Imagica, right? It's amazing when it's new. Everyone wants to go there, right? So in the
Yeah. Yeah.
first 3, 4, maybe even 5 months, maybe a year. Let's say a year, right? You're making good money. You're minting money, right? Minting money
Yeah.
is like
Yeah.
when you're making a lot of money. So let's say you're minting money. After that, that feeling of boredom comes on. So people need something new. That's why it's like, people who like spicy food or people who indulge in
They
drinking
need
or any
changes.
sort of.
People need changes. Yeah.
Yeah, so when someone is an alcoholic, they get high
Yeah.
with one beer first, and they need two to
Yeah.
get high, and they need three. And before you know it, they need 15 to get high, and then they need that high, right?
Yeah.
So it's
Yeah.
just that continuous loop. So you will have to keep innovating, you will have to keep upgrading.
Yeah.
At the
Yeah.
same time, you'll have to maintain. Now, you're not only maintaining machinery, you're maintaining lives, you're maintaining animals, exotic animals that have exotic needs. And you can't
Absolutely.
just
Yeah.
take
Yeah.
them to a normal vet, you have to get a specialist, you have to buy special food, special medication. You need to set the
Ev-
conditions of the atmosphere correctly.
yeah.
So that, not to mention, yeah, I think that's it about the ticketing. I think personally, it won't be anything less than 3 or 4 thousand rupees, with I think a 10% profit margin. I'm just guessing. I don't know how big the
So
land is. I don't know how
that
much.
that kind of amount will be very high, because in India, I believe that if you go to Kingdom of Dreams, you would get all the things there. Like
Where is
there is a
that?
play. Kingdom of Dreams is in Gurgaon.
Okay, I don't
So
know.
yeah, it is very huge, and the kind of theatrical plays, like it is like a Broadway play that you see, that happens over there, and the ticket is for 1500,
Mm.
and you can go there, you can sit, you can have whatever you want to have. It is like that you have altogether come in a, like, in a fictional, like it is like a fictional place, that once you go there, I totally recommend you to just visit there once. You'll totally enjoy it, and you won't come back saying that okay, my money was wasted, or like, once you'll
I
be
won't be
coming back,
disappointed.
there'll be a, you won't get disappointed, and there'll be a big smile on your face. I can assure you that it is that good. And but you go there, you have to, like, you ought to watch that theatrical play. That is the main highlight of Kingdom of Dreams. That is what they do, that is what they are good at. So
Cool.
coming back to the point, the ticketing, still I would say that if the ticket is more than, if anything is more than 2000, then of course, no matter how good content is, uh, no matter how good content is, uh, people of course think twice, going or so spending that much. Once they have seen it, then of course they would definitely recommend
Then
it.
they'll see the value of the.
Yeah, the word of mouth which we say, that of course that the word of mouth has been great for that place, that will certainly happen. But it takes time to build that kind of audience. And yeah, but initially, even if I'm not taking any profit from my business, later on, like slowly and steadily, it will certainly help me to build my business. And
Mm.
my main motto of my business, to expand my business, will be to reach to as much people as I can.
As many people as I can.
As many people as I can. So
Yes,
that will be my motto.
that's great. You were talking so passionately that I have a correction from the first sentence that you said. How do I explain it to you now?
No,
you you said that you would want animals in your amusement park, right? And they
Yeah.
won't be in a cage and they would be open. So there are two vocabulary words that you can use over here. Again, sorry, this was
Okay.
not a correction, it was just a
Okay.
suggestion,
Sure. Yeah.
right?
Sure.
So you can say that they won't be in enclosures, right? Enclosures are basically,
Enclosures. Okay.
right?
Got it. Got it.
So
Enclosures. Yeah.
where there's a fence or there's some sort of restriction of movement for the animals. And the second is when you say that you want these animals to roam free and visitors to be safe and still be able to enjoy or observe these creatures without disturbing them. That is already there. It's called a sanctuary, right? Or it's
Yeah.
called like a national park.
National
So
park. Yeah. It is like
yes,
an, yeah. Yeah.
sanctuary, national park,
Something
they're
of that
basically,
sort of. Yeah.
yeah, there are two
Yeah.
words for that. But yes, you understood what I'm trying to say, where the animals are free, but
Yeah.
then, to
They can
maintain the,
hunt as well. Like in national parks, they can
yes,
hunt as well. Like it is like there'll be fences, but they'll be very,
they,
very far. Yeah.
I
Like
love
a
how you'll have an
Corbett.
argument. You'll have an argument with your team, and you'll say that, okay, we need to make sure the
Oh,
lions are. That's my dog. He wants to go out.
oh.
He was trying to open the door, but it was locked. Anyway, so
Man.
the argument will be that the lion keeps eating the giraffe, and I can't buy any more giraffes. So can you like feed him? Because they don't
Need
care
to
what you
do
feed them.
something for
Yeah.
that. Yeah. Need to do something for that. Yeah.
Then you won't be able to charge 800 rupees. Every week you're getting a new giraffe.
Well, I'm not still able to recall why I was getting stuck at 100. I said it twice. I guess it like I was in the flow, so that is why,
Yeah, maybe you're associating that 100 with something else from a incident somewhere.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Maybe. But you spoke really well. There aren't many mistakes. You don't make many mistakes. I love talking to you because you're so creative. You're so innovative in the way you think. Your perspective is really cool. And obviously, sometimes you don't wear fancy clothes, so it is nice talking to you.
Now you are rubbing it on my face.
No, no, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. But
Yeah.
it is really cool to talk to you. So now
Well,
tell me, do you
same
have
here.
any questions for me about amusement parks?
Yes, I want to know your perspective on it.
Which one I like? How would I create it?
How would you create it, or do you want to add something to it?
Uh, I'm not a
Let,
nature
let's
person.
say, let's say if you are partners, then
Mhm.
what will be your part?
I'm like on the opposite side of what you want to do. I'm
Uh,
not against nature, but I'm not a big
yeah,
fan of nature. So I would do something that has to do with AI, that has to do with virtual reality, comic books, and movies
but
and shows.
yeah, that I can gauge. Yeah, because I know that what I can gauge is that you are very good in games.
Hmm.
I know, and you are very good in the. You must be very good in this software and everything.
No,
I
no,
can.
I'm very bad at tech.
You are very bad at tech, but
Yes,
I don't know. Like it seems like that you have sound knowledge in
I have
tech.
sound knowledge. My hand-eye
Yeah,
coordination is so good, so the gaming knowledge is good. But when it comes
that's
to
what.
RAM and ROM and whatnot, I don't know anything. I think my mind is just like, yeah, this is too complicated. Don't bother.